So what we'll be looking at, we will be looking at bed mass, all right, bed mass. Now we have many names for this. There's the names called board mass, there's the name called PEMDAS, there's the name called PEDMAS, but we will be using bed mass. And bed mass stands for brackets, exponents, division. So division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. All right. So we will be solving it from the top to bottom. All right, guys, we'll be solving it from the top to bottom, where this one will be priority number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Now let me give you an example. Let's say I have example 1. Let's say I have 44 plus 121 divided by 11 minus 4. What is the first thing that we'll do, guys? What is the first thing that we'll do? So we see that we have addition, we have division, and we have subtraction, right? What is the first thing that we'll do? Pat, what is the first thing that we'll do? Step 1, what do we do?
Bracket.
Is that bracket here? There's no bracket. Okay, if there is no bracket, we go to the next one. Is there exponents here?
No.
No. After exponent, what's the next one?
Division.
Divide. Very good. We have division, so we'll put this in bracket and we will solve the division first. Okay. Now, what is 121 divided by 11, Pat?
11.
Very good. So we have 44 plus 11 minus 4, right? 44 plus 11 minus 4. Next one, king. What do we do next? Now we have addition and then we have subtraction, right? Now, in this case, guys, whichever we do, the final answer will still be the same, but we'll try to do it from the left-hand side, okay? So in the left-hand side, we have addition. So we will solve the addition first. King, does that make sense? What is 44 plus 11?
55.
Very good. So we have 55 minus 4, and 55 minus 4 is equal to 51. And that would be our final answer. Now, this is the basics of order of operation, right? But now we will be looking at when we have fractions, okay? We will solve some questions that involve fractions. Now, just because there is fractions, guys, don't get scared, okay? Every step will be the same, all right? Keep in mind, guys, that for everything, we will be using this one, okay? This one will be using, very important, and this goes in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Now, question number 1. They're asking, which operation would you do first? Or which one would we do first, guys? Will it be so here we see that there are 2 operations, right? We see that there are the bracket and division, right? So which one would we do first? Brackets, all right? Brackets, all right? Okay, so what would we do in question B? Would we do the subtraction or the multiplication?
A multiplication.
Very good. We will do the multiplication. Very good. Question C, king. What would we do first? So we see that we have a bracket and then we have a multiplication. What would we do first, king?
Bracket.
Bracket. Very good. Good job. Next one, Baibua. So what would we do first? So we see that there's a multiplication. Now we see inside the bracket, there is a subtraction and a division. So what would we do first, Baibua?
Multiplication.
Multiplication? No. Take a look at this. We have Bedmas, right? B-E-D-M-A-S. Which is the first thing that comes, Baibua? What is the highest? Which one is it?
Bracket.
Brackets, right? So we would solve the brackets first. So think about it. This is like the highest level, okay? If you play a game, this is the highest level, okay? So the top one we would solve first. So that means we would solve the brackets, right? But inside the bracket, there is a subtraction and a division. So which would we solve inside the bracket first? Look here. Here we have exponents, right? And division. So this is bracket This isเลขยกกำลัง and this is divide, multiply, and subtract. So which one will we do first, by Bua? Which comes first? Does division come first or does subtraction come first? Which one?
Division.
Yes, division is here, right? So when we have division and subtraction, we would solve division first. Understood, by Bua?
Okay.
Okay, so we would write down division in brackets. Okay, division in the bracket. All right, now let us go to question number 2. All right, so question number 2 is telling us Elise was asked to evaluate this. Her work is shown below. Is her answer correct or wrong? All right, so if it is correct, you'll write correct. If it is wrong, you'll write wrong and then tell us why. So which one will we do first here, Pat? Which one would we do first? We have division and multiplication, right? Which one will we do first?
Divide.
We would do the divide first. Very good. But before that, do we have to change something to something?
Change division to multiplication.
Okay, so first we will change this mixed fraction first, right? Yes, Pat? So we would have 4 over 3 multiplied with 4 over 3 multiplied with 2 over 3. Am I right, Pat? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now can anything simplify? Yes or no?
No.
No. So what is our answer? What is our answer?
32.
32 over
27.
27. And if we write it as a mixed fraction, what do we have? Write it as a
One.
mixed. Yeah, 1.
5 over 27.
5 over 27. Very good, Pat. So is her answer correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Very good. It is not correct. Okay. It is not correct. Very, very good, Pat. Good job. So step number 1, Pan, we are going to change the fraction. Okay. So this is the question. Yes, I'll write the question. So 1 over 3 divided by 3 over 4 multiplied with 2 over 3. Yes, Pan? Now, step number 1, I will change the mixed fraction to an improper fraction, right? So this I will have 4 over 3 divided by 3 over 4 multiplied with 2 over 3. Now we will do the division part. Yes, we will do the division part. Now the division part we'll change into multiplication, right? So we have 4 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 3 multiplied with 2 over 3. And now we multiply all of the things in the top. Now 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And in the denominator, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, right? So that is how we have 32 over 27. And then we change it into a mixed fraction, which is 1 and 5 over 27. All right, guys. Now in this one, what do they have here? This is page 68, all right? So step number 1, guys, we will be doing the bracket, right? So the bracket we have. Now, who can tell me how can we add fractions with different denominator?
LCM.
LCM. So we must find the LCM, right? We must find the LCM first. LCM is lowest common multiple. In Thai, we call it korona, right? Kun ruam noi, right? So in this one, we have 1 over 2 multiplied with 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied with 2 over 2 and then multiplied with 1 over 7, right? So we are solving inside the bracket first. Now what do we have? 1 times 3 is 3 over 6 plus 4 over 6 multiplied with 1 over 7. And now, guys, since the denominators are the same, we can add or subtract them. Now I'll continue it right here. So we have 7 over 6 multiplied with 1 over 7, right? We have 7 over 6 multiplied with 1 over 7. Now, can anything simplify? Yes, they can. 7 and 7 will simplify itself. So the final answer will be 1 over 6, yes? Therefore, the answer is 1 over 6. All right, so step number 1, what do we do?
1 over 1 times 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4 divide 1 over 1 times 4 over 4 plus 3.
Wait, chill. Wait. Minus 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 1 times 4 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Yes, Bua?
So
Okay, and then?
no. 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4 divide 4 over 4 plus 3 over 4.
Okay, very good.
3 over 4 divide
Wait, chill. 3 over 4 divided by?
7 over 4.
Very good. And then?
And 3 over 4 times 4 over 7. So
Very
cut
good. Cut. And the answer is?
3 over 7.
Now that is what I'm talking about. Boo and the ah. Good job. Very, very good. All right. Fata, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what do we do first?
We do in the bracket first.
Very good. So we have 1 over 3 divided by?
5 over 24. Wait, 24.
Very good. What do we do next?
1 over 3 multiply 24 over 5.
Very good. What can simplify?
3 and 24.
24 changes to?
8.
Very good. What's the answer?
8 over 5.
Which is equal to?
1, 3 over 5.
Very good. Professional. Good job, Farfak. We do the multiplication first. Very good, Johnny. So what do we have? 12 over 35 minus 1 over 5. Okay, very good, Johnny. And then this we multiply with what now? The LCM is 35, yeah? So we multiply with 7. Very good, Johnny. So we have 12 over 35 minus 7 over 35. And what's the answer? 5 over 35. And what the final answer when we simplify? 1 over 7, right? Not 7. 1 over 7. All right, Johnny? Very good, Johnny. Good job. Very, very good.